Hi guys, welcome to Bankermon. So on today's episode, we will discuss ano nga ba yung mga basic requirements para mag-open ng savings account. And we will share also some tips para mas mapadali and maging smooth yung account opening process nyo. Okay? So number one, valid IDs. So when you visit a bank, you need to submit at least one primary ID or two secondary IDs. So anong nga ba yung mga primary IDs and secondary IDs? Okay, so check natin. So for primary ID, pwede na siya passport, driver's license, PRC ID, digitized na voter's ID, SSS card, senior citizen card, Unified Multipurpose ID or yung UMID, ACR, Integrated Bar of the Philippines for our lawyers, Skull ID, and Postal ID yung latest na. Now, if wala ka namang primary ID, pwede din mag-submit ng dalawang secondary IDs. So, it can be your company ID, NBI clearance and police clearance. Just make sure na hindi siya expired. Postal ID, yung paper-based. OFW ID, Siemens Book, DSWD certification, PhilHealth, City Health Card, and Tax Identification ID. So yun yung mga list ng primary and secondary IDs na pwede nyong isubmit. Okay? So guys, reminder pala, if merong discrepancy on your ID, like mali yung spelling ng name at saka yung birth date, so just bring na lang a photocopy or a copy of your birth certificate as a supporting document. Okay? And also, if yung address nyo naman is different na on yung naka-state sa ID, please bring na lang a proof of billing, electric bill or credit card billing or yung mga phone billing nyo. Okay? Number two, if you are an employed or self-employed individual, please submit also your or bring your tax identification number and SSS or GSIS number for government employees. Okay. Number three, picture. So please bring also a 1x1 or 2x2 picture. Kasi some banks nagre-require pa rin sila na mag-submit ng picture while others naman pipicturean na lang kayo during the account opening process. Okay. Number four, if you are a self-employed individual, please bring your original DTI certificate or a copy of your DTI and a copy of your DTI certificate and also a latest business permit kasi i-check din yan ng bank. Okay? So, yun yung mga basic requirements on how to open a savings account. But remember also guys na the bank also can possibly or will possibly require you other supporting document depending on the interview and your sources of funds. So example, you are an employee, tapos during account opening, your initial deposit will be 50 million from sale of property. So the bank will require you a copy of the deed of sale or a contract of sale. Ganun. So yun, I hope meron naman kayong natutunan guys in this episode. And I do encourage you to open a savings account, mag-save and aim for that yung financial freedom. Okay? So this is Bankermon and I'm your friendly neighborhood banker. Bye-bye.